It's April 18. I guess it's that time of year again for us to have our annual Santol hunt. Guess where we're going? No, we're going downtown to search for the Santol. It's already April, so I think we're gonna be successful finding one. Come with me. Normally, when I go to downtown Toronto, I take the bus. There, going to Bramley Go to get the train. But on this adventure, we're gonna try to do the other way around. We're gonna have to ride the Brampton bus and transfer to a Mississauga bus. Then at the airport, we're gonna take the bus going to Kipling Station, where we're gonna get where we can get the subway. Let's go! We are now at Westwood Mall. Holy shit, this bus terminal changed a lot. Even the Petro Canada, they sure renovated that. Now we're gonna wait for bus 7 going to airport. And from there, we're gonna take the bus that goes to Kipling Station. Waiting for this bus. We are now at Kipling Station, and Target pa. Well, I guess it is a successful trip. We have our target. We found our target.